everyone, my name is Leah Shutkever and I'm the UK's #1 female competitive eater. We are at Mad O'Rourke's in Tipton today, taking on the Desperate Dan Cow Pie Challenge. This is a 4.5 pound challenge, and today representing you guys is Darren, the sign fitter. Darren, do you like a pie?
I do, I really like a pie.
Today, Darren and I are going head to head to smash this pie. Right then guys, without further ado, let's get stuck into this challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. Tactics is no talky, more eaty. It is boiling hot. So inside of this pie, we've got steak and kidney, sweet potato, carrots in their famous gravy with a pastry lid and 2 pastry horns. That was delicious, I'm not gonna lie. People have said that this isn't considered a pie because there's no pastry all the way around. My question to you guys is this considered a pie or not? Is it a stew with a lid or is it a legitimate pie? Because in my eyes, it's considered a pie, right? The first person in a while to have pretty much complete the challenge in a very respectable time is a sign fitter. I really thought one of the other trades was going to step up and absolutely smash it, but our sign fitter has smashed it. Whether that be a trade or not, comment your opinions below. Smashing it. I love this so much. Come on, keep going, keep going. Good work. Done. Well done.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Oh.
Absolutely smashed it. Absolutely smashed it. So this challenge is, #1, is delicious. It really is delicious and it is a delight to do. But it's not an easy feat. I'd say that it's a tough challenge. It comes out really hot and it's definitely slightly bigger than what your normal lunch would look like.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just a tad.
Yeah. So what did you think overall?
Yes, it was a nice pie.
Yeah?
Yes, good challenge. And yeah, overall, I'm quite surprised I finished that, to be honest with you, because I didn't expect to. No.
There you go, even went in with doubt and still smashed it. I'm so pleased. So that was the Desperate Dan Cow Pie Challenge smashed. I'm so pleased. You are a second person to have ever completed a challenge.
That's good. That's good to know.
Yeah, so pleased. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll catch you guys on the next one.